To make this scarf and hat set, I used one strand of Caron Latte Cakes. It's a very soft yarn. It almost feels like silk, and it has this fiber. So I used one strand of the Latte Cakes and one strand of worsted weight yarn, and this was just Red Heart Super Saver. And it has this yellow yarn in there, and I didn't want that yellow in my scarf. So when I got to yellow, I just wound it off into a ball, and I'll use that for something else later, because I just wanted to use these colors that are here. And so the finished scarf has this little variation of color throughout. It just changes, very subtle. And it has a very nice texture. It's almost as though it has been felted, but it's also very soft because of the fiber in the Latte Cakes yarn. So, working with one strand of worsted weight yarn, I used Red Heart Super Saver, and my one strand of Latte Cakes. I started with my slip knot, and I chained 20. So just chain 20. Okay, I chained 20. So I'm going to start with a single crochet in the third stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to skip 1, single crochet in the next stitch. So skip, single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip, single crochet. This is called the linen stitch, and you work that way all the way across your foundation chain. Like that, all the way across the chain. Okay, I worked all the way across my chain, and that's what it looks like. Not the end of the row. This row will be repeated for the remainder of the pattern. So it's chain 2, and that's going to take the place of a single crochet and a chain 1 space. Turn to work. Now you're going to find your first chain 1 space, and there it is. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1. Find the next chain 1 space, single crochet. Chain 1. Find the next chain 1 space, single crochet. You're going to work like that across the row. Chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So work all the way across the row, making chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And it works up very quickly, this scarf. As you can see, I'm only on row 2, and I've already got quite a bit of work. So I'll get to the end of the stitch here. So now at the end of the row, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to find that turning chain, and I'm going to single crochet in that stitch. And there's what that looks like. And I'm going to chain 2 and turn, and then single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And I'm going to keep repeating that over and over. And to make a scarf, you just keep on working as long as you would like your scarf to be. So there you go. That's a very easy linen stitch scarf. And this is a great unisex style. And you can also add a fringe on the ends if you like. So there you go. That's an easy scarf you can make for Christmas gifts or for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.